The graph shows the function f of x is equal to 4x minus x squared minus 3 and g of x is equal to 1 minus x. Find the maximum value of f of x. This is a multiple choice question, and so we are going to solve the question, and after that we pick the correct option. The question says that we should find the maximum value of f of x. F of x is the curve, so we are going to find the maximum value of the curve. To get the maximum value of the curve, we first have to locate the turning point, because the maximum value of the curve is the y-coordinate of the turning point. The turning point is the point where the curve turns. We can see from our graph that the curve turns at this point. The y-coordinate of this point will give us the maximum value. To get the y-coordinate, we will trace it to meet the y-axis. When we trace it to meet the y-axis, we can see that the y-coordinate there is 1. So it means that the maximum value of f of x, which is the curve, is 1. When we look through the options given to us, we can see that the correct one is C. We are going to calculate the mean mark. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The mean mark will be given by the formula sigma fx divided by sigma f. That is the sum of fx divided by the sum of f. I'll draw a 3-column table like the one we have here, with the marks in the first column that will give us the x values, and the frequencies in the second column that will give us the f values. In the third column, we will have the fx values. We will get the fx values by multiplying the x values by the f values. So the first one will be 1 times 2, which will give us 2. The next one will be 2 times 1, which is 2. The next one is 3 times 3, which is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 1 is 6. 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 1 is 8. 9 times 0 is 0. And 10 times 2 is 20. To get the mean, we need sigma fx divided by sigma f. So we have to add all the fx values. When we add all the fx values together, we are going to have 100. We need sigma f, so we add all the f values. When we add all the f values together, we are having 20. So the mean will be equal to sigma fx, which is 100, divided by sigma f, which is 20. 100 divided by 20 is 5. It means that the mean mark for this distribution is 5. When we look through the options given to us, we can see that the correct option is C. If P is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which of the following adequately defines P? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The set P has the members 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The question wants us to select the statement that adequately describes P. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are even numbers less than 12. That statement is the second one, option B. So that is the correct statement. The set of even numbers less than 12. Let's consider the other statements and see. The first one is the set of even numbers. Even though 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are even numbers, there are other even numbers, so this statement doesn't adequately describe it, because 12, 14, 16, 18 are also even numbers and they are not included in P. So the first statement, the set of even numbers, does not adequately describe P. Let's look at the third one, the option C. The set of all possible integers divisible by 2. Even though the numbers here, they are all positive integers divisible by 2, there are other positive integers that are also divisible by 2, like 14, 16, 18, and they are not included in this set. So this statement also does not adequately describe P. And the last one, the set of all positive integers less than 12. All the numbers here are positive integers less than 12. But there are also other positive integers that are also less than 12, like 1 and 11, and they are not included here. So it means that this one also does not adequately describe P. So among these four statements, the one that adequately describes P is the second one, the set of even numbers less than 12. Given that square root of 3 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 5 is equal to x plus y square root of 15, find the value of x plus y. This is a multiple choice question, and so we solve the question, and after that we pick the correct option. We are going to express the said square root of 3 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 5 in the form x plus y square root of 15. After that, we will compare it to find the value of x and y. Then we will be able to find the value of x plus y from there. We will do this by rationalizing the set given to us. The set given to us is square root of 3 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 5. We will rationalize it by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by square root of 5. So you have square root of 3 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 5 times square root of 5 divided by square root of 5. This will give us square root of 5 times square root of 3 plus square root of 5 times square root of 5 divided by square root of 5 times square root of 5. Square root of 5 times square root of 3 will give us square root of 15. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 will give us 5. On the denominator, we have square root of 5 times square root of 5, which is 5. So our expression will now be 5 plus square root of 15 divided by 5. From fractions, we know that if we have a plus b divided by c, it can be expressed as a divided by c plus b divided by c. So in the same way, 5 plus square root of 15 divided by 5 can be expressed as 5 divided by 5 plus square root of 15 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 will give us 1. Square root of 15 divided by 5 can be written as 1 divided by 5 square root of 15. We now have square root of 3 plus square root of 5 divided by square root of 5 in the form x plus y square root of 15. So we can compare them. If we compare x plus y square root of 15 to 1 plus 1 divided by 5 square root of 15, we can see that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 divided by 5. So x is 1 and y is 1 divided by 5. We can now find the value of x plus y. So x plus y will be equal to 1 plus 1 divided by 5, which will give us one whole number, 1 divided by 5. So the value of x plus y is one whole number, 1 divided by 5. When we look through the options given to us, we can see that the correct one is B.